Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chatterbox, as you can see on screen. So this is what the end result will look like, and it says red, purple, orange or blue. And then basically inside here I got numbers 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then inside 1, 2 I got sub to John Playz, 3, 4 like, and then turn on notifications and thanks for watching. That's the ones that I put in, and let's get right into it. Step 1, you want to turn it over to the white side if you want color to be in it, because if you do this side, it'll just turn out white. So then you fold it in half. Lots of people fold it in half and then fold it in half the other way, but that just takes longer, so I fold it in half once, and then do it like a triangle. Straight away, only one time, and it still works out really well, and it's still really easy to do. So you do it like that, and then this, you can see that middle bit where they both connect, and you just put that in there. And this bit, how you know if with this bit's easier, they connect at the same point. And same with this, until you're in the last one. And then when you're on the last one, it just slides in there, that. And then you turn it over and do that again. It's a bit more hard to see, but mine's right there. Fold it in there. And this side again. That side. And most of all, this side. And then you fold it in half, like that. And then this way as well. So then you've done doing the base, but you can do writing in it like I did. And then you can like open this up, these two bits up, and also these two bits, like that. And the easiest way to do it is put your thumb and your pointer finger on both hands on each side, and then lift them both up, or both to the side, to do it the different ways, like that. It does start to rip a bit, like I already did that. And then you can do like writing on here. So if I was on this one, I can basically like close it up like this, and then open it like that, and then see how I did red, blue that way, and then orange and purple. I can like do that, the pencil, and then open this up and do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open them up. You could do like a line between here for number 1 and 2. And also on all of them, and put like different truth or dares or Halloween stuff or anything like that. And then on this bit, like I said, do the numbers. And that's pretty much how you make it.